Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the official Unpacked day, and it's time to take a look at the top 5 amazing new features of the brand new Galaxy S22 series. Coming at number 1, we have the cameras, which are going to be one of the improvements in the upcoming S22 series. So basically this time around, finally Samsung is going to be shifting from 12 megapixel sensors to a 50 megapixel GN5 sensor, and it's also coming with a 3 times of optical zoom lens for its Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. This is the perfect camera upgrade that we have been asking for long, and you can expect some noticeable camera improvements, especially in the low light situation. Now the S22 Ultra continues to use the same sensor as the S21 Ultra, but we do get a brand new SuperClear lens, which is built to enhance detail as well as to get rid of those flares that you get in the photos. Now speaking of the cameras, we have some amazing AI camera features such as super resolution and NightoGraphy. The S22 Ultra will allow you to take super resolution photos, and this is called the enhanced detail mode. And now with the brand new camera ISP and the new NPU gains, you're also going to get some incredible detail. Along with that, we also have a NightoGraphy on all models, which is Samsung's strongest night mode system ever. It combines 20 frames at a time to bring out all the light and give you an incredible night mode shot. Not only that, you also get improvement to the portrait mode as well, which is set to bring more details and of course better bokeh. Now, what about the video? Well, we have for the first time 12-bit HDR video recording on the Galaxy phones. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series will be the first phone ever to shoot the 12-bit HDR video. It's set to bring 64 times more vivid color compared to 10-bit HDR video. On top of this, you also get video quality option of up to 8K. Moving on, next we have built-in Spen with a super natural writing experience. Unlike the last year S21 Ultra, where you had to buy the S Pen separately, now the S Pen is right where it belongs, which is inside the phone body. And it comes absolutely free, and it's not just an ordinary S Pen. It's a super natural S Pen. The Galaxy S22 Ultra set a record-breaking 2.8 millisecond response time, which means writing on the screen will literally feel like writing on the paper. Next we have the Brightest OLED panel. Well, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra brings the brightest OLED display ever on a phone with nearly 1800 nits of brightness. This is absolutely record-breaking display on any smartphone out there, something that only Samsung can pull off. Coming at number 3, we have the Android 60. This is another area where Samsung just simply shocked everyone. This has literally never been done before by any other Android brand, and it is going to be for the first time that Galaxy S22 series will be getting a 4-year of major Android software updates, meaning it will go from Android 12 all the way up to Android 16. And that is the longest software update of any Android flagship phone right now. Moving on, we have the Ultra Protection for the best durability. The Galaxy S22 series are one of the first smartphones to use the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for the best protection on any smartphone out there. On top of that, we are also getting armored aluminum frame to give you maximum resistance against the scratch and drops. At number 5, we have the fastest charging on the Galaxy ever. Yes, the Galaxy S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra officially bringing 45-watt fast charging to the table, and this is again not the fastest standard out there, but it's still pretty fast and it's pretty reliable. User will be able to get more than 50% done in just 30 minutes. So there we go. These were some of the best features that the S22 new series has to offer. Let me know which features on this list is your favorite in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Peace out.